Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Amazon Smart Thermostat not responding. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So in this case, if your Amazon Smart Thermostat isn't responding, don't worry, there's a few things that you can do to probably fix this issue. So first, you might want to try restarting it. So all you need to do is gently pull the thermostat's faceplate off the wall plate. Then wait for a few seconds, then snap it back on, and sometimes a simple restart is all it takes to get it working again. Now, if that does solve your problem, you can do a factory reset. So just keep in mind that this will reset or erase all this data or the data on the thermostat, including your HVAC settings and any custom configuration. So to reset it, you want to press and hold the up temperature and the down temperature and mode buttons all the same time for about like 10 seconds. Now you'll see an RES pop up on the display. After that, press and hold the mode button for about an additional 5 seconds until it fully resets. Now once you've done either of these steps, your thermostat should start responding again, and that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.